Hello, it's AliMECH, and in this video I will show you how to remove bird poop mark with the heat gun. So I have this mark here. Let's use a heat gun. It should disappear right around 240. By the way, the mark is 4 days old. Here's a closer look. Make sure you go right to left, up and down, and it just disappears. Let's check. It's about 120 Celsius, 240, 245 Fahrenheit. By the way, this spot is left. It's a watermark. Here's another mark. Let's see if you can remove it. I just passed 300 and the mark is still there. It's an old mark. It can be removed with a heat gun. You have to wet sand it and then polish it. I have a video about that. I will put the link in the description box below. Here's before and after pictures. If you found the video useful, hit the like button and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.